You guys don't have any questions about math at Emory?
So say you're taking math 115 and 116. What are the first few concepts that are taught?
Same as Calculus 1. So we do a whirlwind tour of pre-calculus, 3 days of fun with trigonometric, exponential, log functions, and reminding you about graphs and that kind of thing. And then we do limits and derivatives. Then diverges from standard calculus because we talk about population models. We do maybe a fewer applications of state integration to I don't know, standard physics things. We do more on biology. So it's really a lot like Cap 1.
Okay.
It's not too different.
Is there a placement test for math classes?
No. The reason that there isn't, well, is we don't teach a pre-calculus class. So we thought about having a placement test, but then the outcome would be, oh, let's see, pre-calculus skills are weak, we don't have a solution here at Emory, you're going to need to take a summer course somewhere. So no, we don't have a placement test. Almost everybody who enters here has the background to start in calculus sequence. Or to do probability and statistics. You certainly have the math background to do QTM 100 or Math 107, which is the province that. Have you seen Alex? Not the person. You saw him.
Oh,
They see that on Wednesday.
Ah,
But that is something that you guys have an advantage over a lot of other people, is that you have 6 weeks of Alex Calc 1 with limits prep paid for and ready to go starting on Wednesday. So along with the tutoring that you already know about, which will start tomorrow night, so you guys can get ready to go whenever you hit the ground running in the fall.
yeah, Alex, I'd be very interested in your reactions to using it. We have very little experience with that sort of adaptive software. It's supposed to be an effective way to review pre-calculus concepts and keep test you along the way. So please let us know what its strengths and its weaknesses are. So one of our instructors is here today. Steve will be leading some of the tutorials. So he's a resource, a bona fide PhD. Well, I guess not officially. Everything but the official blessing, right? Did you graduate?
yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, that's your real deal. Cool.
He got, okay. That means he's being drastically underpaid for what he's doing.
Yes, it really does. Sorry, Steve. Yeah.
So the tutorials in the evenings, we hope that you'll be able to make use of them, that you won't be so exhausted that the last thing you want to do is ask questions about math. But they're 3 evenings the first 2 weeks and 2 evenings the last week. And be free to come and ask questions. Steve is there as a resource.
Yeah.
I should be calling him Dr. LaFleur rather than Steve.
Steve is fine.
Steve is fine.
I'm also interested in what you think the degree of difficulty or silliness of the assignments is. Just made them up. You don't really have a good gauge on how hard they are. The intention is that are the groups that the students work in, are they constant through the program, or does anybody even know about the groups?
They don't know about the groups yet. The math groups will be the same though. We'll keep those things constant because those are things we can look at later. Yeah.
So there will be a posting of 3 assignments. And of course, so the group is supposed to produce a solution set. These are not really long, as far as I can tell. It should be quite reasonable, especially if there are 4 people in a group working on the solution. And here too, I'm really interested in what you think the degree of difficulty is, and how confusing these are. Any other questions? We're not still being taped.
I can shut it off. You've got something particularly interesting to tell them.
I just wanted to tell you the truth about math.